I am Tata Harper and I'm the founder of Tata Harper Skincare. Tata Harper Skincare is uncompromising and we really have zero tolerance for synthetics, for lousy formulas, for things that are outsourced, bases. Like we make everything from scratch and they're really made with fresh, potent, real ingredients. The most rewarding aspect of being a beauty founder like me is that I am able to see when people use my beauty products and I see the results in their skin, and the results is fresh, healthy, glowing skin. What attracted me to Blushington is the fact that you guys want to make sure that your client's skin is healthy, is resurfaced, it's glowy, and makeup looks so much better when the skin underneath is healthy and it's well moisturized.